Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Hannah and today I'm coming at y'all with some more lock styles. Yes, some more lock styles. And my hair is a little crinkly right now because I had my hair in 2-strand twists for an entire week and then I took them out last Saturday because I was going to a camp concert. But anyway, I'm about to show y'all some new lock styles that I've been doing that I think y'all are really going to love. But you already know what I'm about to tell y'all to do. Yeah, make sure you're subscribed. Right now, I want to say we're at 560 subscribers. We're on our way to 1,000, y'all. So, thank you for everyone who's here. Thank you for everyone who's been supporting my content. I'm not going to talk too much longer because I know y'all want these styles. So let's get into the hairstyles. So the first style that I'm going to do is going to incorporate the use of a claw clip. I'm just using this clear claw clip. And I'm pretty sure I got them from Old Navy or Forever 21. I want to say it's Forever 21 for some reason. What we're going to do for this style, I got this one off TikTok actually. The first thing we're going to do is just part our hair to the side, like the front half, part it into two middles. It's okay if you don't have a clear part because neither do I. Like my locks are very much so freeform. So yeah, we're just going to leave that out right there. Now it's definitely a little difficult for me at first until I figured it out. But we're gonna take everything from the back and we're literally going to flip it and bring it up. And I'm gonna turn around so y'all can see exactly what I'm talking about. So you can see my hair's, I'm holding it like it's in a ponytail, right? So now we're just gonna take this, we're going to pull it all up. So you're gonna have to rake your hands through your locks. Claw clip, and you see how I'm just holding in my hand? Now we're gonna go back to the bottom, well not the bottom, a little bit down, and we're just gonna twist it and twist it until all of this is together. Some people say to start down at the bottom. I don't like to start at the bottom because my locks are thinner and I find it a little harder to do. So yeah, I'm just gonna take this and I'm gonna make sure it gets fully on both sides, which is the hard part. So you are gonna have to comb some of that hair in there and then boom. That is what the back should look like. You turn forward and boom. Look number one. All right, so this is style number one. Well, I really like it. When I saw it off TikTok, I was like, this is the perfect like messy bun type look, but like with the messy tendrils type thing that you would do if your hair was like loose. I feel like it's a little effortless. It's easy to just put up a piece if you need to, literally. Bada boom, bada bam, the piece is in there. Really easy to adjust. It feels super comfortable. I'm just gonna show you guys again. From the side, from the other side, and what the back looks like. So that is the first style. Time for style number two. And style number two looks pretty similar to this, but it has its own little flair. So this next style, like I said, the next style is like a variation of this one without the claw clip, but we're going to take this down, but we're gonna grab all of that tightly, quick, okay? In a hurry. Grab it, put it. Okay, cool. Make sure you're getting all those pieces back there because the point is to do a high ponytail. So boom. We're gonna take this high ponytail and we're gonna tie it a couple times to get that height. What I like to do when I want height on my ponytails, I literally just enhance where I tie it, or I get another hair tie to give the same effect. All right, so this is the second hairstyle. It is a variation of the first one, like I said, but as you can see, it's like a little ponytail. I won't call it a high ponytail because like from the side it has more like projection. It's like we're just gonna call it the funky pony. This is the funky pony. You give it a little height and you let it spread like a flower. Yeah, this is what it looks like from the front, and as y'all can see again, that's where you're getting that height, but you're not having what we get from the last style where it leans all in front of your face, but instead it's just giving that little angled cute high pony but not so high look. I love it. All right, you guys, this next style is gonna be a little different. Let me get this. Whew. Let this down. What we're gonna do is we're going to do bantu knots across the front. 2-strand twist. For those who don't know how to bantu knot, you 2-strand twist all the way down, and then you take the 2-strand twist and you wrap it around itself until it just sits on its own. And mine did not sit on its own, so I think I would have to use whatever. I'll add the rubber bands at the end. I'm just gonna lightly create them. Twist, twist. Be careful not to bump the other ones like I just did with mine. And boom. Set the rubber band on there again. All right, you guys, this is the next style. I love this. I'm an African woman and I feel like it just gives African vibes. I really like it. 4 bantu knots at the top. I just have the back out at the back end. But y'all don't like this. It's cute. It is just so funky. Giving you are my African queen, and I like that. So yeah, this is the third look. I had to think about it for a second. This is look number 3. Time for the last and final lock style for this one. We're going to put a spin on basically like cornrowing your locks down, because if your locks are shorter than mine, or like uneven, it's probably a little hard for you to cornrow them. I've tried to do the 2, you know, cornrows on my locks so many times, y'all, and it's just not happening. So what I'm going to show you guys is a cute alternative, which is to do a twist. We're going to flat twist, flat twist, flat twist, flat twist all the way. I'm gonna take this, yeah, I'm gonna take this, and I'm going to literally just do a little messy, cute little thing back there. And then boom, that side is done. You already know that you have thin hair, then straining and pulling is only going to break your hair more. So if you have thin hair and you have locks, it's perfectly okay. I mean, thin hair shawties can have locks too. We here together, okay? But you have to be careful. So this is the next look. I find this one to be so cute, and if you really want to spice it up even more, y'all know me, I love a good chopstick. Throw them chopsticks in on the side, and I'm just going to tighten this one actually. So this is the last look. What do y'all think? What do y'all think? I think this one is super cute. It gives me summer picnic vibes. July 4th. I might have to do this style for the 4th of July, but put curlers in this. But anyway, this is super cute. It was super easy, low tension, which is what we love, especially for the girls with the locks, again, who have thinner hair, or you're still, you know, growing back the edges. Ain't nothing wrong with that. But yeah, really cute style to try. All right, unfortunately, you guys, we are at the end of this video. I know, so sad. More content, right? If you want that content, you already know what you got to do. Subscribe, comment, like. Let me know what y'all are loving. And again, I appreciate all y'all support. Let me know which hairstyle was your favorite, and I will catch you guys later. Bye.